Okay, welcome to part 3 of webmasterlessons.com, how to make a website in ActionScript 2. This is Mike Pierre, and when I was creating this, I made a little boo-boo, which was the video went a little over by a minute, so I cannot upload it to a specific site where you guys are watching the video. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to backtrack and let you guys know what I did, so you guys could be on the same level as me, which makes it a little bad for me because I feel bad. Well, anyway, I'm gonna go well in the last tutorial. These keyframes were empty, and what I did to make them active is I put text inside of them. So I clicked on oh, by the way, I created extra keyframes by pressing F6, 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 F6. The reason why I did that is to stop the frame from being double, like two websites and two pages in one, so it could be all messed up. So I did that for a reason. I stopped the frames by pressing F6. So what I did was I clicked the keyframe in frame 1 of home. I wrote welcome to my page. I went to frame 15, I wrote about, and then it became black. I went to frame 20 and I put this inside portfolio, and then I went to frame 25 and I put that. I kept the actions empty for now, and then what the next step after I did is I unlocked the layer, right? And I made buttons, which is home, about, portfolio, and contact. I made sure they were centered by using the align tool in my little panel that I created in my web design view of my CS4, right? And then it aligned. And what I did was once I created these buttons and aligned them, I right clicked, I clicked on convert to symbol, I wrote my BTN1, and then I pressed OK. Well, I'm gonna press cancel. Then after that, in the instance name, I wrote my BTN1, and now I went inside the actions panel, and I wrote a code which was on press, go to, and stop 1, right? And I did that for this too. So I right click, I converted to symbol, my BTN2, gave it an instance name of my BTN2. When the action panel wrote on press, go to, and stop 15. And then after that, I clicked on portfolio, I converted it to a symbol, my BTN3, gave it an instant name of my BTN3, wrote the actions panel code, which is on press, go to, and stop 20, because it's frame 20, and I did that for contact, which was frame 25. Inside the ActionScript panel, gave it an instant name of my BTN4 and converted it to a symbol under a button, my BTN4. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, well, basically we have our website. You see, we go to when it goes to frame 15, it goes to about, goes to portfolio, goes to 20, frame 20, goes to 25 if you're clicking on the contacts button. Oh yeah, make sure that all your buttons, because I noticed a lot of people have problems with it, that that their text is static and not dynamic or input text, because we want to create buttons that's clickable to go on to the next website if you're making a full website in Flash. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're going to create. We're gonna put stop actions, but first we're gonna test our page. And the way you test your page is you go to Control Play. You see, Control Test Movie, or Control Enter. Okay, now we got our website, but how are we gonna make it stop? How are we gonna make it stop? Good question. Okay, the way that we're going to make it stop is we're going to we're gonna open this. Well, alright. Let's lock every layer. Let's open the actions layer. Let's click inside of there. Let's go to actions and then stop. We're going to press F7. We're going to make another action within there. Having problems with this computer, guys. Excuse me. Stop. Go to frame 20. Go inside that action. Stop. And we're gonna go to frame 25. And then we're gonna F7. Actions. Stop. Alright, let's test the movie. I probably did make a mistake, and if I did, we'll backtrack and debug. Okay, so everything's looking good so far. If I press about, and it'll take me to my about page. If I press portfolio, it'll take me to my portfolio page. If I press contact me, it'll take me to my contact page. How cool is that? Right? And if I go to click my banner, which I'm not, it's going to take me to a broken URL link. So what I'm going to do for my contact page, I am going to write a little script in there when I give you guys the source file, because I'm not going to create a contact form within this tutorial. That's a separate tutorial. That's the next tutorial coming. To check out my text tutorials and more tutorials, online tutorials, video tutorials, go to webmasterlessons.com. And thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, guys. Take care.